Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your site title and tagline on SiteGround. Before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan, and if you want to buy to premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So after creating your account, so kindly follow the steps listed below and go to the WordPress dashboard and go to appearance on your left sidebar and click on customize. So just tap on customize and after and go to site identity, change or edit your title and change or edit both your site title and WordPress tagline and click save. Customizing site title and tagline in WordPress dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully updated your site title and tagline in WordPress. So this is how you can just manage easily. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.